Welcome to this walk around video of a BMW M140i. My name is Ish from Gold Heart Automotive, and this is a 2018 M140i Shadow Edition with just under 39,000 miles on the clock. Absolutely stunning condition. This isn't a normal M140i, this is a stage 3 M140i producing over 500 brake horsepower. The condition of this car is absolutely incredible. So yeah, full Maxton design kit. All the wheels are completely unmarked. Brand new Michelin Pilot Sport 5s. No stone chips whatsoever. M4 style wing mirrors. This car also does have an upgraded LSD, M Performance LSD. And has been slightly lowered. The exhaust is a straight pipe, standard back box. Diffuser is Maxton design. Maxton design lip spoiler. I'll give you a demonstration of how loud the car is at the end of the video. So 4 unmarked alloys, Michelin PS5s all round, they're brand new. So the car's in absolutely fantastic condition. But this isn't like any other M140i, stage 3 of course, LSD, handles completely different. Inside the car is very, very clean. Gloss black trims, auto headlights, good spec, Pro Nav, full service history, heated seats, Harman Kardon, PDC front parking sensors. So the car's on 38,941 miles. Show the engine. So this has a custom Dynamics pure hybrid turbo. All the specs of what's been done to the car on my website. So please have a look at my website for all the information, including the service history dates. But the car is seriously quick. So what the straight pipe sounds like. So at the moment we're in comfort mode. That's comfort mode. If I put it to Sport Plus, opens up slightly, more pops and bangs. So it's ridiculously loud, but when you're in comfort mode and Eco Pro mode, completely fine. Only when you want to have a bit of fun, you put it in Sport and Sport Plus, then it opens up. So the car is in fantastic condition, stage 3, over 500 brake horsepower. It is done to superb standard. So any questions, please go onto our website, goldheartautomotive.com. All our contact information is available on there, along with the full specs. You can reserve this car for £99. You can book a delivery date, you can click and collect, and you can also apply for finance. For any questions on this car, please feel free to reach out and we'd be more than happy to answer any questions that you have. So 2 keys, all original book packs, 12 months MOT, everything you would expect from an 18 plate car with under 40,000 miles on the clock. So thanks for watching and I look forward to hearing from you. Cheers.